When processing a transaction, you have the ability to add additional information to the transaction, which will be stored along with the transaction details in your reports. You can use the transaction details section for some basic fields. However, you can add up to 20 additional fields with your own labels if you like even more information to be stored within each transaction. Simply navigate to the Control panel, then hit Custom Fields, and go ahead and add labels to as many fields as you like. If you'd like any of these fields to be required so that the transaction cannot be processed until the field has information entered, just hit the star next to the field that you'd like to require. Then click Save. Now, when you navigate back to the Process Transaction screen, you'll see a section called Custom Fields with the fields and labels that you just created. Those marked as required will turn red if you attempt to process the transaction without entering any information in these fields. All information entered in these fields when processing a transaction will be stored in your Report section. Under Reports, click on the transaction and scroll to the bottom to see the custom fields with the custom information that you entered in those fields. You can also choose to include the information entered in the custom fields as part of your batch reports. To do this, navigate to the Control panel and click on Batch Settings. Within the Batch Report columns, make sure to check off all the custom fields that were created, or uncheck the ones that you do not want to be included in your batch report, and click Save.